Total parenteral nutrition is a high-alert medication requiring a complex and lengthy ordering process, prone to medication errors at all levels, including ordering, compounding, and administration of TPN. This problem is often further complicated by current paper processes. The TPN Advisor facilitates an easy electronic ordering process in Cerner with built-in decision support. It has an intuitive workflow that facilitates both custom and premix TPN ordering processes. The Advisor displays TPN-related medications, such as electrolytes, and medications containing lipids, such as propofol, and related labs, relevant patient data, such as patient weight and daily fluid balance, as well as others, during ordering processes, and trends these values in a graph form. The Advisor has automatic salt conversion for pharmacy, as well as a simple daily electrolyte ordering format for providers, a reference range guidance and comparison with the previous day's TPN order, the ability to place relevant lab orders for the next day, age-based calculations, and flexing based on age for neonate, pediatric, and adult populations. The Advisor will also flex based on facility product availability. The Advisor has intuitive electronic order verification for nursing during administration to minimize errors. It is also compatible with a CAPS interface for compounding. The Advisor starts out with basic patient information at the top and lists known allergies, any pertinent active medications, as well as basic labs, including BUN and creatinine. There is a product selection from which the choices are premixes and custom formulations. There is a section for infusion scheduling so the ordering provider can order cyclic TPNs or add titration instructions. The Advisor automatically calculates dosing weight based on ideal body weight and additionally has calculations for patients who are greater than 25% above their ideal body weight. The next section is for macronutrients, and that is followed by a section for electrolytes, as well as additives and additional laboratory orders. We're going to start off by ordering a premix solution. We start using Premix 515 with electrolytes. Since the product has a fixed amount of ingredients, the Advisor pre-populates fields based on the volume to be administered that is selected by the user. TPN dosing weight defaults from the patient's chart and can be modified. Once the user enters the volume intended for the patient, notice that the macronutrients and electrolytes are populated based on the fixed ingredients. As a guidance for TPN ordering, reference ranges appear on the left and related labs are displayed on the right. The labs also have graphing that can show trends. You notice that the protein field displays the ingredient order in several formats, including a normalized dose, such as grams per kilogram per day, as well as total grams per day and kilocalories per day. The total nutritional values are broken down into percentages, and the actual kilocalories are displayed under the formulation. The next section is for electrolytes. The lock icons indicate that the ingredient dose is locked to the volume ordered to be administered. Specific lab values are visible on the right, and individual values can be seen on hover. Moving next into the additives section. The most common additives are available as discrete fields, and the user can add or modify as clinically indicated. Any additional clinically relevant information for pharmacy or nursing can be added under the order comments. Just by selecting the premix in a volume, a provider can order TPN in just a few clicks. When clinically indicated, if custom TPN is required, the user can start from scratch using custom TPN or use a premix solution for guidance and change ingredient values. In this case, since I have selected premix, if I have a patient with renal failure and I would like to reduce the potassium in the TPN solution, I can just set my potassium value to 0. Note that there is an alert to let me know that I changed to a custom solution. Notice also that the locks have been removed. Even though we are ordering based on daily electrolytes, the order will go to pharmacy with the salt calculation having been performed. You can see that below the entry field for each ingredient. While the provider is ordering the individual electrolytes as a total daily amount, pharmacy still receives the order with the salts calculated. And if you notice, the salts changed. These are currently based on a balance between the chloride and acetate, but this balance can either be set manually by the provider or an absolute value can be set. The TPN solution will be sent as a custom product to pharmacy, and any additional labs selected will be placed on the scratch pad for signature. Once the order is placed, all the detail is retained within the order, including the provider's actual ordered values. The order is now electronically processed by pharmacy and is administered by nursing using the existing MAR workflow.